Goodbye, boring. Make your PC fun and customized using these tools. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. So, in this video, what are we going to be doing? We're going to be talking about some PC tools that you can use for your PC, for your desktop, for your background to make your PC look much more customized, looks much more looked into. It gives your PC a creative outlook that just gives it a better vibe. Now, if you look at my dashboard right now, you can see like taskbar down there. It's quite different from what usually you would have or what a default taskbar would be. So this is the type of stuff we're going to be doing. All right. So to start off, let's start discussing about the tools. So the first tool that I would like to discuss is a tool that I like a lot. It's a tool that a lot of people use. It's called a Rain Meter. So Rain Meter is a desktop customization tool. So what Rain Meter does is it basically allows you to display customizable skins on your desktop from hardware usage meters to fully functional audio visualizers. So, you know, you can basically change the whole look of your desktop. Okay, you can change the whole vibe, you can change the whole layout. This is the type of stuff you can expect when you're using these features for yourself. Pretty incredible. They look pretty cool, and you can create things like this, okay? And you can also discover things in the community, okay? Like Rainmeter doesn't stop you to one layout or one format, one piece of art. You can keep on going ahead and finding different things and scouring through the community to look for all the kinds of things that you think look good. So, yeah, that's basically Rainmeter. Okay, again, in short, it allows users to customize their desktops with widgets, skins, and themes. It's a powerful tool for creating unique and personalized desktop setups. Now, let's move over to another incredible app, and this application is called Wallpaper Engine. So, Wallpaper Engine is an application that you probably would know, okay? Now, the reason for that is Wallpaper Engine is an application used by millions of gamers and Steam users out there because Wallpaper Engine was created for a Steam application, okay? And what people do is they can use, stunning live wallpapers on their Windows desktop. And they work with obviously the Corsair interface and Razer Chroma desktop setup. And what they do is they basically give you a wallpaper engine editor where you can actually create wallpapers. And there's different ways to create different types of wallpapers. And this is just an example of the type of wallpapers you can create using wallpaper engine. So look at that. This person made a whole showcase of a car. They can change the showcase as the wallpaper is shown in the background. So yeah, that's what wallpaper engine does. It's optimized for performance. It's totally live wallpapers, and trust me, they look magnificent. Like, look at this. Just look at how cool all of this looks. You can literally personalize your desktop in the greatest way. Like, look at this type of stuff. If you see this in the background of your desktop, like anyone would get mesmerized. Just look at it. Like, look at the layout on this and look at the desktop wallpaper. So this is the kind of stuff you can expect when you're using Wallpaper Engine. And obviously, right now, this is just a stable image. When you're using Wallpaper Engine, this is going to be a live footage that is going to be running in the background. All right. Now, moving on, let's go ahead and discuss about another tool. Now, this tool is called Custom Icon Packs. Okay. Now, what is Custom Icon Packs? So, Custom Icon Packs is basically a dribble of sets that you can get off of Envato Elements, or if you want it for your mobile applications, you can get it on Google Play Store, where you can explore icon packs and customization tools like Icon Packager that allows users to change the default icons of their desktops. Okay, so let me get into the application, which is Icon Packager. Okay, so obviously, what you're going to do is you're going to download this application, And what that will allow you to do is you can change all the, logos and all the extensions you have on your laptop with anything else that you desire. Any type of PNG you have, you can swap it for that. Okay. And obviously, before you used to get this in like a small city where you could change your icon, but now you can obviously get the icon packager application online. And it's pretty easy to come along. All you're going to do is you're going to go to Stardock's very own website, download it, or you can even get it from FileHorse or Up to Down. Okay. And that basically clears you out. Okay. So, it allows users to change the default icons on their desktop for a personalized look, which, makes it seem pretty cool. Now, moving on, we're also going to be discussing about window blends, okay? Now, what is window blends? So, let me show you. You could call this window blinds or window blends, whatever or however you would like to pronounce something like this. But window blinds or window blends is, again, a Stardock application. And what window blinds does is it enables users to apply custom themes and skins to completely change the look and feel of their operating system, not their, desktop, but their whole operating system. So you can actually download window blinds, and you can see over here that they've shown you an example of this person's operating system with a Windows blind and without. So this is without and this is with. And obviously you can see the change in color scheme and change in design and a whole lot more. So you can, do different things like stylize it, change its visual styles. You can add alternative skins for yourself. Then moving on, it works much better together. And you can customize it by adding different types of colors, adding different types of fonts. There's transparency. You can apply easy setup and a whole lot more. So this is the type of stuff you can expect when you're using window blinds for yourself. Now, moving on, once we've discussed this, let's go ahead and discuss a desktop organization tool. Okay, so this desktop organization tool, which I personally love, is called Fences. So, Fences is basically a tool that you can get again on Stardock. And what this will do is it will automatically organize all the files in your desktop in a minute. And trust me, this application is a keeper because, a lot of people like they don't have a very organized desktop. Like even my desktop, I wouldn't call it the cleanest. Everything is here, there. I've just adjusted them in columns on the left hand, right side, but I've not really paid proper attention to them per se. So to fix this, what would I need? I would need the help of Fences, okay? So get Fences and get your desktop organized right now into folders and different places. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Goodbye.